You want to keep your house clean and tidy, but you haven't got enough energy, you haven't got enough hours in the day, and there's also only one of you, so you can only do so much. Honestly, I understand completely. I'm a mum to 4 children and a dog, and I have twins who are 8 years old. So when all my kids were little, I was finding it really overwhelming with the housework because one, I didn't have enough energy in the first place, being a full-time mum. Two, I didn't have enough time because I was constantly looking after little ones who needed my attention. I have very low iron. So I just felt really ill all the time and I didn't have the energy to just keep my house tidy and clean. So I decided to put something into place to make my life easier. And now I just focus on the bare minimum things that I need to get done every day. So I'm not wearing myself out and I do the same things every day. So it just keeps on top of the mess and it keeps my house clean and tidy. And also I'm not wearing myself out and I'm just getting the important things done, or what I think are the important things. If you stay on top of these things that I'm going to mention in this video, you'll be able to keep your house clean and tidy every day, and then you can focus on the other parts of your home at another time when you've got more time or more energy, maybe on the weekend. If you do enjoy this video, please give me a like. Honestly, it'll help me so much. I'm a new channel and I'm trying to build up my watch hours. So if you like this video, YouTube will show this to more people and I'll get seen better. Let's get stuck straight in, shall we? The first thing I like to do, and the first thing I want you to do, is to take care of any visual clutter. What I mean by this is anything that's distracting your eye, anything laying around that doesn't need to be on flat surfaces in your home. Things such as bags, coats, shoes, letters, rubbish, plates and cups and things like that. Get them put away. Don't leave them laying around on surfaces, because this is the quickest way to make your house look really messy. And honestly, this is something that I focus on when I come through the door after I pick my little girls up from school. As soon as I come in, I got a handful of stuff and I just dump it all on this shoe organizer, and it looks so messy that I can't wait to put it away. And I do focus on doing this as soon as I come in from school, so I'm not having to do it at a later time. So I'll focus on putting the coats in the cupboard. I've got little command hooks on the back of the door here, so it just keeps the coats out of the way. Then I'll go and empty my little girl's school bag, and I'll get rid of any little snack pots, put those in the dishwasher. I'll empty their drinks bottles and put them in the sink. And I also like to pick up shoes and put them away in the shoe organizer straight away as well, because one, they just look so messy when they're left out, but two, we all go flying over the shoes. I don't want to create an accident. I also make sure that when letters come through the door or parcels, I'll open them straight away. I get rid of boxes straight away. I do actually keep the boxes for selling things on Vinted, but if you don't want to keep the boxes, break them down, put them into your recycling straight away. I've just done this for years, and honestly, it just cuts down on the mess and the things that I have to do a little bit later on. It cuts down on the clutter in my home as well. So I'll open letters as well, get rid of the envelope, and then I'll either file the letter or I'll just put it into the shredding pile, and it just stops the letters from mounting up and then me having a massive pile of letters to sort out a bit later on. My next tip for you is to get rid of everyday clutter by using a clutter basket. I love these baskets for all sorts, so I use them for sorting my laundry, for storing snacks in my snack cupboard, and also for doing this as well. So I will leave a link to these boxes in my description box. Honestly, they're probably the one most used item in my home. So grab a basket, and when you're going about your day, grab items that are in the wrong place or that are laying around and put them into this basket. So things like toys, books, objects, makeup, things like that are laying around that just don't need to be left out. And then you can put these away into their right places on the weekend when you've got more time. It just stops the visual clutter from mounting up around your home, because honestly, these things can breed. I've noticed that when I start leaving things out, or when people start leaving things out, people in the home think, oh, well, I can leave something out as well. And it is surprising how quickly these things mount up. Every day I'm forever picking stuff up from around my home that are not in the right place or just don't need to be left out. And this is the way that I keep my home clutter free. My next tip for you, and this is something that I live by, is to do dishes every day. So either you're washing them by hand. Once you've scraped the plates in the evening for your dinner, wash those plates up as you go. I like to wash pots and pans, as I've dished up the dinner, so I'll just quickly wash them, or I'll wash a pan if I don't need it anymore, maybe something else is cooking, I'll wash as I go. It just stops the dishes from mounting up on the side of my countertop, and that is a really quick way of making your house look super messy, especially the kitchen. Also, load the dishwasher every day. I do this in the morning, so I load the dishwasher in the morning, so that's after I've emptied it, and then I will load it in the evening as well. But throughout the day, I'll grab plates and dishes and I will load up the dishwasher as I'm going along. I won't sort of just leave things laying around all day long, because honestly, my kids don't know where the dishwasher is, so they always leave their plates and cups laying around all day long on sofas, on floors, on tables, all sorts. So if I left it, it would look an honest mess. So I just go around my house and I will just pick things up and load the dishwasher as I go, and then it's nice and easy. Then after I finish my dinner, I can just put the dishes in the dishwasher and turn it on, and it is me done for the evening. It doesn't mean I need to stand at the sink for hours on end trying to scrub plates off because I've just left that food sitting on the plate. Another thing I've found massively helps me with keeping on top of the housework is to do a load of laundry every day. So every morning when I wake up, I'll go and put a wash in the washing machine. I sometimes also do this in the evening, so I'll put the washing in the washing machine and then I'll turn it on in the morning, so I'm not having to load the washing machine in the morning. It means I'm keeping on top of the laundry because I'm doing laundry every day. This also includes drying it, folding it and putting it away as well. Something that helps me massively is having this heated area. Honestly, this is something that I couldn't live without now. It dries my clothes within a day because it's heated, but it's not too hot. And it's surprising the amount of clothes I can actually fit on here. I've got 2 teenage boys who are wearing adult clothes. So there's 3 adults and also 2 kids. So honestly, the amount of clothes I mount up in this house is insane. I've also got a dehumidifier as well next to this. And I've found this helps loads as well because it helps to suck out the moisture from the air. I will put links to both of these things that I've mentioned in my description box because honestly, I couldn't live without them now. But I do make sure that I fold or put clothes on hangers every day and put them away in their right area as well, because otherwise the clothes mount up and then I have to spend hours on the weekends putting clothes away. And this is something that I used to do until I changed my routine, and this is working so much better for me now because I've got so much more time on the weekend to spend time with my family, to go out and just spend more time on myself as well. And honestly, I'm not spending all day in the house just doing housework. Let me know in the comments anything that you do to keep on top of the housework every day. Honestly, I'm always looking for ideas. Have a lovely rest of your day. Please give this video a like and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.